Cursor, the AI code editor, has the ability to transform how anyone approaches coding, making it accessible and intuitive for everyone. Whether you are a seasoned developer or someone just starting out, this tool automates various parts of the development process. By using natural language, you can create required files, edit existing ones, fix errors, and even integrate it into your terminal. This is a game changer, significantly boosting productivity. What makes Cursor powerful is its ability to understand your codebase. It offers auto-completion features, and by simply pressing the Tab key, you can move forward quickly in your code. Additionally, it allows for natural language editing, making code modifications as easy as having a conversation. Cursor is similar to VS Code in functionality but offers enhanced features through AI. You can even integrate different large language models if needed. Cursor is available in various pricing tiers, a free plan, a pro plan, and a business plan. The free plan is a great starting point, offering a taste of the AI-powered capabilities. Throughout this video, you'll get a look at how to utilize code generation, multi-line edits, code-based question answering, and even image to UI creation. Plus, there's a feature called Ask the Web, which lets you pull in the latest information, applying those updates instantly to your project. In the tutorial, we will go step by step through the process of creating a website that includes sections like services, pricing, and contact. But, if you are looking for a website where you can get all the latest news plus the latest AI tools, you can explore our website called simplifyai.in. Here, you can find things like AI-related magazines, a dedicated section only for trending AI tools, courses, and webinars. I've just launched a comprehensive course on my website that explores how to leverage AI tools for everyday tasks. Whether you are looking to enhance your Excel skills, create stunning PowerPoint presentations, or discover innovative AI tools for various applications, dive in now to transform your workflow and boost your productivity with cutting-edge AI solutions. I will provide the link in the description for your convenience. But before diving into that, it's important to highlight the ease and power of Cursor's AI integration, which truly sets it apart from traditional code editors. Once you've downloaded Cursor on your system, you'll find that it's available for all major operating systems, making it accessible to a wide range of users. After the installation, when you open Cursor on your computer, the interface will present several key icons. These icons are designed to enhance your productivity. For instance, one icon opens the terminal, another opens the sidebar, and there's another one for opening the right-hand sidebar. Familiarizing yourself with these key shortcuts is important to fully utilize the tool's capabilities. Here are some essential shortcuts to remember. Command-Shift-I. This opens a fully automated control panel, giving you access to more advanced controls. Command-I. This is the shortcut for the mini control panel, offering streamlined features. Command-K. This shortcut enables inline chat, making it easier to interact with the tool in real time. Command-L. This opens the sidebar chat, offering quick access to interactive features on the side. Let's begin by using the Command-Shift-I shortcut. In the Cursor app, pressing this combination will open the control panel. From here, you can ask the AI to assist with various tasks, such as creating a website. The control panel serves as a gateway to initiating multiple automated processes that simplify your coding workflow. In the Cursor app, I'm going to type a simple command. Create a basic website with home, services, pricing, and contact. This website is intended to provide AI services and will be built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Once the command is entered, I'll click the Submit button. This is leveraging the capabilities of Claude 3.5, which will automatically start generating the code for the website. After submitting, you can observe that the tool begins creating all the necessary code for each page. It starts by writing the HTML structure, followed by the CSS for styling, and finally the JavaScript for added functionality. Once all three files are created, you'll see the option to Apply All on the right-hand side. Clicking this button will apply the generated code to the project. Once the code is applied, if I close the control panel, you'll notice that all the files, index, HTML, style.css, and script.js have been created with their respective content. Now, I can open these files to see the structure of the website. To view the website, I'll open the terminal by clicking the terminal icon and typing index.html. After pressing enter, the website will launch, displaying the home, services, pricing, and contact sections with all the AI-generated content in place. Now you can see the basic website with services, pricing, and contact sections. While functional, it's quite simple, so let's work on improving it. First, I'll go back to my code editor and press Command-Shift-I to open the control panel again. Continuing the chat, I'll type, create each page with a different URL, because currently, all sections are displayed on one page. I want to ensure that when someone clicks on each section, services, pricing, contact, they are taken to an individual page. After entering this command, I'll hit enter. The tool will now generate individual pages for services, pricing, and contact, each with its unique URL. Once this process is complete, I'll click Accept All, and all the necessary files and links will be created and applied. Now, when I open the index.html file again, each section will be linked to its individual page, providing a more structured navigation experience. The next step is to further enhance the homepage, which is still quite basic. Returning to the control panel, I'll select index.html and type, add more content and different services with various content blocks, to make the homepage more informative and visually appealing. After hitting enter and accepting the changes, the tool will automatically generate additional content and format it into content blocks. Now, the homepage will have more detailed information about the services offered, making it look more professional and complete. Let's further enhance its styling and structure. I'll request the system to add more styling to make the website more modern. After clicking submit and accepting the changes, the website will adopt a cleaner, more contemporary design. The services, pricing, and contact pages now appear sleeker, but I want to add more services to the services page. Next, I'll navigate to the control panel, choose services, and type, add more services with content for each service in different blocks. After submitting this request and accepting the changes, you'll see that several AI service options have been generated, each with its own content block. This provides a rich display of the AI services available, enhancing the user experience. Now, let's move on to the pricing page. I'll ask the system to add more content to the pricing page by specifying additional pricing options. After submitting and accepting the changes, you'll see the new flexible pricing plans, which include Basic, Pro, and Enterprise packages. The page also now features a frequently asked questions (FAQ) section, making it more interactive. On the contact page, a contact form has been generated, but it still needs some alignment adjustments. I'll request the system to align the contact form and pricing page properly with a modern look. After submitting the request and accepting the changes, the form and pricing details will be neatly aligned, giving the entire website a polished and professional appearance. Now the website looks visually appealing and well organized, with detailed service descriptions, flexible pricing plans, and a clean, user-friendly contact form. As we now have a fully functional website with home, services, pricing, and contact pages, all created in less than 10 minutes using natural language commands. Now, let me show you how you can generate code from an image. In the chat, there's an option to upload an image. I uploaded an image, and simply typed, design the contact form like this, and hit enter. The editor automatically generated the code based on the image I uploaded. After applying and accepting the changes for the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, the contact page was updated to match the design of the uploaded image. I'm really excited about these features, and I'll be creating more videos like this in the future. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. So, this is Simplify AI, and I hope you like this video, and if you want more video on latest advancement on AI around the globe, you can subscribe our channel for future updates.